Good afternoon. Hey y'all, about to hook up some chicken up in here. Got some boneless chicken and pineapple. I'm about to hook it up. My wife about to hook up the vegetables in a minute right over here in our little stove here. Got a little table set up. Got a little fire going to ambiance. And if you look, we got the view. So this is the view right here.
What is life? What does this life mean to you? Check it from a Rastaman point of view. And you see that life is sweet. And what you make it. To some it is a burden. To I man it's a journey. Actually if you're not careful, you'll be in the world and lose the soul you have. Here is none.
Alright, hey y'all, this is our last day here. We about to head back on up in the other back east, going to Wells State Park, and then for about 2-3 days, and then from that we'll be heading to Illinois. We'll be going to the Chicago area. My wife has some work she needs to do there before we start heading out west. So that's basically it. Oh yeah, got the fire going, everything good. Well guys, let me tell you, here in Michigan was great. Look, the weather was actually great. Guys, good, clear, clean water up here, the lake, all the lakes. We had an opportunity to look at, and the water is clear, clean. Man, the water's so clean, I think I could run out there and just drink it. That's how clean it looks. But there's three things that, we've been here for about 3 weeks. There's three things we failed to do. We failed to see a moose. We failed to find eucalyptus, and we failed to see what is it? The aurora borealis light in the sky. Some of the days that was great to see it, it was cloudy. And for some of the days that was not cloudy, we still couldn't see it depending on where we was at in the UP. Yeah. And our eyes were closed. So we were sleeping. You have to see it anywhere between, 12 and 3 o'clock?
12:30 or 3 o'clock in the morning?
Yeah. So about 12 to 3 o'clock we were supposed to, we could pop up and things like that, but we didn't see nothing. So, hey, next time, maybe in the future, when we go to Alaska.
When we go, you said
when.
when.
No, I said
you heard it. You heard it. He said when.
He
didn't say if. He said when.
I said in the future.
When we go to Alaska.
In the future.
You still said in the future when we go to Alaska.
I gotta replay that back. I said
that means
in
when.
the future.
Alaska bound.
But basically what we can do is, as we meet many people out here, and we get a group together, and everybody want to go to Alaska, then we join in and we go as a group, like a convoy to Alaska. That's something that I want to see in the future. So I really don't want to go by myself.
If you want to go, put it in the comments.
Yeah, if you want to go, put it in the comments and let's plan this out, like in the next year, 2, 3, 4.
Let's not get carried away.
But y'all, that's what we did not see in Michigan this time. And
we didn't see bears either.
Yeah, we didn't see no bears.
We spent 3 weeks in the wilderness, going hiking in the wilderness in the national forest here, where there's plenty of bear and moose, and we've seen fish.
Yeah, we've seen fish, turtles.
A turtle, a chipmunk, a frog, fish, and a dead porcupine.
Yeah.
And 2 deer. We can see those back home in Georgia. We got like 50 of them in the backyard.
Yeah. So We didn't see none of the other stuff, you know. So.
No, but the people posted on the Pure UP page. They posted like 2 days after we were on M28 that there was a moose.
Yeah. After we went by. So guys, if you ever up there in the UP, if you see a moose, hey, take a picture, and then hey, matter of fact, you can email it to us. Just drop it in the comments or something like that, and say, hey, we seen a moose. Y'all didn't. So, other than that, that's all I have for you now. Right now, we hooking it up. I'll show you the finished product after we finish. And for those of you that don't know who we are, I'm Juan.
I'm Jennifer.
And you already know who we are. RV Adventure Explorers. Hey, hit that like button and comment and subscribe. Definitely subscribe. Hey, like I always say, every little bit counts. All right. To the next clip. All right, y'all. Let me give you a sneak peek. Asian Zing pineapple. Pineapple. Asian Zing. And chicken.
For 2 people.
Yeah, that's for 2. We happen to have guests, and we might let them have a little bit. And then my wife over here, she's cooking up the what? Asparagus and zucchini. She's waiting for that to get nice and hot.
But it's not getting hot.
It's getting hot. It's just taking a little time.
I should have waited to put them on so it was like piping.
It still works. Let's smoke it right there.
Make it get hotter so the vegetables.
Alright guys, that's the finished product. Chicken, pineapple, asparagus, and zucchini. Good. Alright. Until the next time.
No one tell me where it is the time if you're not careful. You gain this world and lose the soul you have. Here is knowledge. Let those in the world but take you off. You never know what you got till you lose what you got. Life is not a burden. Tell them it's a journey. I tried if you're not careful. You gain this world and lose the soul you have. Here is knowledge. Let those in the world but take you off. You never know what you got till you lose what you got.